The following presentation will introduce you to NXTware Remote for CORBA, development tools that simplify the development, maintenance, and integration of CORBA-based applications. NXTware Remote for CORBA is comprised of a suite of Eclipse-based wizards. Operating within the Eclipse integrated development environment, these wizards guide developers step by step through automated CORBA development processes. These include working with a CORBA IDL file, generating a service implementation, provider, and consumer classes, deploying the service, and finally, if needed, exposing the CORBA service as a web service. NXTware Remote for CORBA is based on the NXTware Remote engine, a collection of configurators and loaders that simplify CORBA implementation and development. Here you have a CORBA loader. You can easily select the orb you want to use. In this case, we're using VisiBroker. With NXTware Remote, you can also launch an RPC server or trigger web services using our flexible web service loader. Additionally, you have the ability to create data access pools that can be reused within different services. The first step is creating a new project. In this case, a NXTware Remote Java project. After that, we select our configuration. In this case, we only have one, the default configuration. In the next step, we'll add the various libraries that we'll need inside our project. We'll use the user libraries because we'll want to expose this as a web service a little later. So here we'll select Access to Stack. Additionally, let's select log4j, the NXTware libraries, and for our orb, we'll choose VisiBroker. Now we're ready to start working on our NXTware Remote for CORBA project. Before we proceed to the next part of the process, we'll get our IDL file. We already have a project with an IDL, so to save time, we're going to copy that IDL file. We'll use this file as a basis for the generation of our services in the next segments.